Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So let's talk about Beyonce did what? But rather than focusing on Beyonce did what, I want to focus on you know, what did she not do? This is not the first time Beyonce has been flashing these evil signs around. It's part of her nature. It's part of what makes her what she is and who she is and the fame that she has and the fake money that she has, which cannot save her, anything, anywhere. She's just stuck. Like this, I don't even want to think about it because look at her. How old she is? Is she? She's married, she has a child to raise, and look at how she's performing in front of, millions of people on television, naked, in swimsuit. I don't care if it's leather, if it's this, if it's that, whatever the material is, whatever the fabric is, whatever it is, it's a cheap piece of shit that she cannot avoid, regardless and despite all the money that she has, because the same sign that she's making, these people who welcomes her, who allows her or permits her to flash the signs, own her and dictate to this piece of slave what she can and cannot wear and what she can and cannot say and where she can be at any given time in her life. And she knows she cannot rebel. I'm sure she did not flash these signs by a matter of choice, but rather by dictation, because if she refuses, she's gonna end up being like Michael Jackson, like you know Tupac, Amy Winehouse. She's in the same category. She's walking on eggshell and she needs to be careful. So just like Madonna did it last year, she has to do it also, because the same people own these freaking slaves. And you see, these people are just horrible representation, horrible you know people to represent the black race. And if you associate yourself with them, you need to quit, you need to stop, because they are not people, they are slaves, they are machines, and their role is to help you become acquainted and with these horrible signs, with the Illuminati, with the Freemason. And it's an act of evil against humanity and against society. So I love you guys. Watch out for this big evil bitch called Beyonce and her horrible husband Jay-Z. Much love. Bye.